In this video, we will do this. In this video, we will protect our routes, we will integrate the APIs, and we will send the tokens when we click on the logout button. Okay, so that also we will do. Let's go to the VS Code first. So you can see when I click on the SRC folder, in the app folder, I have created basic structure. Okay, components folder, constant model, pages, and the services folder I have created. In the pages, you can see the dashboard and login. Two pages I have. I have created models folder, and in this models folder, I have this file. You can see I have added some interfaces. Okay, users, login response. Now you can see in the components folder, I have a header component in which I have created a header. Okay, so this we will add a condition here based on routing, based on the authentication. Okay, so in the services folder, we will create some services. In the login also, you can see all the things I have created, and also I have added the validation also. So you can see the reactive form I have used for creating this form, and you can see the dashboard also. We have nothing much we have in this, only we need to route this page, and also I have added the routes here. Okay, so first what we need to do, we need to take the data from the form. So what I will do, I need to add one console here. This login form value. Okay, so when I will go to this form, let's see, admin at example.com 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so you can see the data is coming. Okay, you can see I have created a one API in a Node.js. So this is the data, right? When I click on this send, so this token we have. Okay, so this API we will integrate in our application. Now we need to create a services. So I need to go terminal first. Services, and in services folder we need to create one auth service. Second is token. Okay, so now in these services, also one more thing that I want to show you. You can see I have imported the HTTP client module in a app.config.ts file. Okay, now in the auth service, first of all we need to create some functions in the token services. Okay, so in the token services we will add those functions in which we will store the token values. Okay, so first of all what we need to do, we need to create this one is authentication flag, by which we will use in a auth guards, right, in all the files where we require this one. Okay, so this I need to import rxjx behavior subject we are taking, and now some functions I need to create, first of all for getting and setting the token. Okay, so you can see, and one more for update the token also. Okay, so what I have done here, so you can see, so one function I have created for set the token, in which I am passing update token as a true. So based on the status, the authentication value will be changed. Okay, one more function I have created for get the token, and in the local storage from the local storage, I'm getting the data. So this constants also I need to be import here. Okay. And one more thing, we need to remove the token also. So one more function I need to add here, this one. Okay. So when we want to remove the token, then we need to use this function. Okay. Now one more thing, we need to add this services in a auth service. Okay. So private token service, token service. Now here I need to add one more thing, private HTTP client. Okay. So now I want to add one function for the login. Okay. So when I want to log in, then this function I need to use. Let me import this model. This model also I need to import. So token services already we have. So okay, API endpoints also I need to be import. Okay, so this will be the response. So this is the map function from the RxJS we need to import. That's it. Okay, now you can see the post HTTP requests I have added, and the API and the auth endpoint also I have added here. So you can see what we have in this login and the logout to API URL I have added here. Okay, so now using the pipe I am getting using the pipe I am getting all the responses, and I have called this token services set token function by which I am setting the token. Okay, now this API I want to integrate in a login component. So here first of all I need to import this service, private auth service, okay. So now here this auth service on login I need to pass the login form dot value, and subscribe I need to add here, next value. Okay, and one more thing, after success this I want to redirect on the dashboard page. So private router this dot router navigate dashboard. Okay, so we need to check admin at example 3456. Okay, when I click on the submit button, you can see the login is successfully message I have got in the response, right? And this is redirected to the dashboard page. So this is working fine, but one more thing we have, if I open this in a incognito mode, directly I can go on a dashboard page. So this is also we need to be prevent. For this I need to create two guards. So first of all I will create ngg guards auth guard I need to create, and one more guest. Okay, the two guards I have in an auth guard, what I need to do is first of all I need to import inject token service, inject from the core, yes, right, token service. Okay, router also I need to add, that's it, token services I want to call is authentication. Next value if this is not true, then I need to navigate on the blank page. Oh, sorry, login page. Okay. And the same thing we need to do, but in a guest component, sorry, in guest route, but the condition will be different like this. It should be, and it should be redirected to the dashboard page, right? Suppose if we have the login already, then we need and the user want to access the login page again, then we need to redirect to the dashboard page. Okay. Yeah, that's it. And now one more thing, I need to add this in a routes. Okay. So here I want to add can activate. Yes. Here I need to add a guest route, guest guard. And here I want to add auth guard. Okay, this extra comma I need to remove. Now we can see, right? So let me see if something we have. I need to delete this one first. Now if I go to the dashboard page, this is redirect to the login page. Okay, because now the guard we have been added. Okay, so now one more thing, if I log in at example.com, when I click on the submit button, you can see the dashboard page is coming, right? So if I copy again this one in incognito mode, you can see this is redirected to the login page. Okay. Now one more thing, if I want to access the login page also, oh, this is working. Okay, let me check something is not right. Okay, in the guest route, I think guest route, oh sorry, guest card, let me check once. Router subscribe value, router navigate to dashboard page if we have the value. One more thing, I think in the token I need to add something in the constructor, because if we have if we are already logged in, then why it should be redirected to the dashboard page. Okay, so in the constructor what I need to do is constant const token, and this get token, I need to get the token, and I need to check if the token is available, then this update token should be true, right? That also I need to do. Okay, now the dashboard is coming. If I again want to, yeah, I can't access the login page now. Okay, this is also working now. We if we already log in, then login this button shouldn't come here, so this is also we need to do. So in header I will create one variable uh, is is authenticated, like this. Dollar I need to add. Okay, constructor, in constructor we need to call a private token service, okay. This is this token service is authentication. And yeah, now I need to come here. Okay, I need to convert it in a dev, that also I need to be change dev. Here I need to add the cursor pointer, the tailwind I'm using. Okay, and one click function also I need to add for logout. Okay, we can do later, but now we can add. Okay, this click function I have added. Okay, now what we are doing, we need to add this authenticated based on condition. We need to display these links. Okay, so yes, I need to add if condition here, and I need to use the pipe async pipe I need to use. This is not work out. Okay, yeah, one more thing, common module we need to add here, then it will be work out. Okay, fine. Now and else also I need to add else, and it should become in this. Okay, that also fine. Now we can see what we have. So dashboard and logout, only these two things we have. Now logout functionality also we need to be work out. Okay, so we need to open this auth services, and here we need to create one function for logout. Okay, so I need to copy paste here. I have the code already. So so I need to add the HTTP headers, token services also I need. Okay, token service. Okay, I think the name should be token service. It should be like this, spelling mistake. Okay, so what I have done here, so I have created one header, and in header I have added the authorization, and I am adding this token from the token services, and this header I have updated in this request. Okay, so when we click on the logout, but so token also we need to be sent out, right? Then it will be work. So and also after success we are removing the token from the storage. Okay, so that also we are doing. Let's check. One more thing, we need to add this service on a header component. So I need to add here private auth service auth service, and I need to be logout. Yeah, on logout this I need to be access. Next value, this router also I need to add private router. It should be redirected on the login page. Okay, so that also I have done. Now we need to check. Okay, when I click on the logout, okay, you can see 404. Oh, this is not a correct API. I think we have, yes, I need to use this. So I need to go here, not here, here. Okay, this I need to add. Okay, let's check once. So when I click on the logout again, you can see success I am getting, and this is redirected to the login page, right? And now if I want to access this one, I can't access. Okay, so both are working fine. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and please comment me and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.